Hello, families. Um, I am about to show you a resource that we use in the classroom. The company has provided a 90-day free trial for interactive materials online if you are interested. The first thing you would have to do is log in or sign up for a free account. The account is free, so you just have to have an email and a password to log in. Once you are inside of the program, after you've created your account, you will see at the top there is a tab that says programs. If you go all the way to the bottom where it says pre-K to 5, distance learning. On this page, you will learn more about the tools and that they are doing an interactive handwriting teaching tool for 90 days at no cost. You will hit create account, but you've already created an account. And it will bring you in to this navigation page. It'll give you a teacher's guide on things to do with your child in the house for preschool curriculum. Activity books. These are all books that we have done in the classroom. My First School Book, I Know My Numbers, and My First Lowercase Book. It also has applications that you can do. Letter and number formations for capital letters, lowercase, and numbers. Wet, Dry, Try, which is another activity that we do in our classroom during small group rotations. Wood pieces on letter formation.
Let's make the letter A.
Big line, big line, little line. Now it's your turn.
The students will now have an opportunity to form the letters using materials that they have used hands-on in our classroom and using vocabulary that we
Good
use
job
in our
on capital
everyday
A.
teaching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Miss Lily, and we will try to help you as best as we can. This is a really great resource that they are offering for 90 days at free access. So please take advantage if you are looking for things to do with your child in the household.